this is Jane. Now we are in our workshop to help our customer to test the machine before delivery. Also, we also have lots of customers have some worries. After you buy our machine, how you make the machine working and how to adjust the machines after you get our machine. So now let's give you a short demo video to show you how to do step by step. Okay, let's go. Firstly, after you get our machines, you open the wooden the packing. So firstly, we should make sure we have put the hydraulic oil, because it's not easy for us to put the hydraulic oil during the shipment. We suggest you choose number 46 hydraulic oil. After you put the hydraulic full, then we can collect the electrical. This is our electrical calculation. You can do two steps. Firstly, we should collect the foot switch. This foot switch, electric wire. Then we collect these two parts electrical wire. This is a 3 electrical wire. After we collect this 3, we can start the machine. Okay, now we should make sure all the. Now we can open. We can make the. Now our machine electrical collector. Firstly, we should make sure all the emergency stop is open. Emergency switch is open. There is also should open in the foot switch. Then we started the oil pumper. We started the oil pumper to make sure our main motor in the positive direction movement. How to check? We can stop the emergency switch. So the machine, the main motor stop. We can make sure it is in a positive direction or no. If it is not in the positive direction, we should how we should do. Let's show you. We should open. We should open the electrical cabinet and adjust any of these 2 wires to adjust it and recollect it. Then after finish, we can start. We can start. We open the emergency switch and we started oil pumper. So now if it is in the positive direction, okay, we finish the collector the machine. It's so easy, right? Okay. Now we can start use the. So now we finish the machine collector, right?